Hi, it's Denise Mai Real Estate, and I've got this penthouse for you today here in 4178 Dawson, located in the heart of Brentwood. It's across from Gilmore Station. I'm so excited to give you a tour. This top floor penthouse, you're only one of 4 units. It's so much natural light coming in with the southwest corner view. Also, this open floor plan allows for you to entertain with the dining here, living room, electric fireplace, laminate throughout, also beautiful chandelier, and best of all, you're in the heart of Brentwood where everything you need is at your doorstep. An amazing highlight of this home is this beautiful 435 square feet wraparound deck. It's southwest corner. You've got 270-degree view of everything. Pretty much Metrotown, downtown, you really have it all. Plus, Gilmore SkyTrain is only across the street. If you'd like to book a private viewing for this home, I'd be more than happy to set one up for you. My name is Denise Mai. Feel free to call, text, or email me.